The College of Southern Nevada, founded in 1971, CSN is the state's largest institution of higher education, educating approximately 80,000 students annually. With more than 200 degree and certification options in more than 130 areas of study, CSN is one of the country's most exciting and dynamic colleges. By offering day, evening, weekend, and online classes, CSN allows its students to create flexible, personalized schedules to fit their individual lifestyles. The Office of Technology Services, or OTS, supports all information technology throughout CSN. OTS maintains all of the technology infrastructure for the college, supports users, and provides academic technology support for faculty and staff throughout the college. OTS is very proud about the college's newly implemented state-of-the-art data center. Designed to grow as the demands of the institution grows, the data center is a flexible solution to data management that is both cutting-edge and energy efficient. The redesign of the data center has garnered national attention from numerous higher education institutions, vendors, and local gaming casinos. Many representatives of business and education have toured the facility since its opening. We are sure you will be impressed as we take you on a tour of the CSN Data Center.
The College of Southern Nevada's data center is a state-of-the-art facility that has been designed to provide high-quality availability services, increase security, and enterprise-level networking while still providing scalability for future growth. Other features include redundant power, fire suppression, and cooling designed for optimal airflow. Currently, the data center is using about 40% of its capacity. For future growth, all power and cooling requirements have already been installed so that equipment can be added without any additional power and cooling cost. To ensure high availability, the servers have multiple network connections and multiple connections to a 74 terabyte storage area, so that if any links fail, backup links will automatically take over so that users will not lose their connectivity. Additionally, the data center is supplied with a redundant pair of core switches, providing a 1 gigabyte connection to all servers with a 10 gigabyte backbone. The data center network is connected to the internet by a full OC12. Security to the data center is restricted to data center engineers, technicians, and authorized guests. Access requires the use of a key card and key PIN number at 2 separate sets of doors entering the data center floor. All the racks in the data center are locked so that no unauthorized individuals can gain access. The data center is monitored by multiple cameras 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To protect the CSN network from any unwanted intrusion, a pair of redundant firewall modules that filter traffic to and from the data center is installed. Many of the CSN servers have now been virtualized. Instead of each server requiring its own large rack space, 30 servers can now run on one small server that is only 2 inches wide by 14 inches long, saving money on power and cooling. The servers that have been virtualized previously used 72,500 watts of power per hour, costing the college $7.15 per hour to run. Now those servers are virtualized and only use 13,038 watts, costing the college $1.29 per hour to run. The data center is designed with N+1 power redundancy. The entire data center is connected to a backup battery system that can run the data center for 20 minutes in the event of power loss. As soon as a power loss is detected, the diesel generator will automatically turn on to provide power to replace the battery backup. Once the power is restored to the data center, the diesel generator will automatically turn off. The CSN data center is protected by an enterprise-level wireless fire suppression system. These units have the ability to safely suppress any fires that would take place. The fire suppression system removes oxygen from the room without damaging any of the electrical equipment in the room. Once the oxygen is removed from the data center, the fire is automatically extinguished. Cooling inside the data center is one of the most important aspects of maintaining reliable service. Maintaining a 70-degree temperature inside the data center allows servers to run more efficiently and at higher availability. Cooler temperatures reduce the risk of overheating and hardware failure. Raised floors have traditionally been used in data centers for cabling management, but they reduce airflow and make it harder to maintain cooling. Utilizing best practices in data center design, the CSN data center was built without raised floors. The cabling, fiber optics, and power are all run overhead. This design allows for optimal airflow so that servers enjoy a 70-degree temperature at all times. All data center systems are monitored by the Network Operations Center. The NOC monitors electronic security systems, data center cooling, data center power, network subsystems, and all servers and processes 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. An automated system is installed that will send out email notifications to engineers and technicians when any problem is detected. The College of Southern Nevada's data center was built as a state-of-the-art facility to provide CSN with high availability enterprise networking in a secured environment. The best practices used in the design of the data center will allow CSN to increase the number of servers and network equipment needed for future growth without incurring the immense cost of additional power and cooling.